Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a look at the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, the latest flagship smartphone from Samsung. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the features and specifications of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. So, without further ado, let's get started. Design. Let's begin with the design. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra comes with a stunning 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels. It has a sleek and stylish design with a glass back and metal frame. The phone is available in three beautiful colors: Phantom Black, Phantom Silver, and Phantom Green. The phone also features an under-display fingerprint scanner for added security. Here's a quick rundown of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra's features and specifications. Display: 6.8-inch AMOLED with a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels and adaptive refresh rate up to 120 Hz. Processor: Snapdragon 895. RAM: up to 16 GB. Storage: up to 1 TB. Battery: 5000 mAh with fast charging and wireless charging. Camera: quad camera setup with a 108-megapixel primary camera, a 16-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 12-megapixel telephoto camera, and a 3D ToF sensor, 40-megapixel front-facing camera. Operating system: Android 13 with Samsung's One UI 5.0. Additional features: S Pen support, improved Samsung DeX, IP68 water and dust resistance rating, stereo speakers tuned by AKG, Dolby Atmos support, 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, USB Type-C port, and Samsung Knox security platform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content.